Hi and welcome to an EDC video. This way too expensive Leatherman adapt kit is a bag that I just bought because I've seen some reviews and I think this is gonna be a perfect mini repin bag for my regular daily carry. So I'll show you why I picked this and let me hear your thoughts. I'll make another update video once I have converted this into the actual product, but for now this is gonna be a quick review and yeah, let's dig into it. First of all, as I often travel around with public transportation to do lock work, I can't just grab all the cylinders and go to the back of my truck to do a rekey. So quite often I need to do rekeys inside the home for someone. So and as we all know, locks are filled with all kinds of oil and, God forbid, graphite. So they can be quite messy, and you really don't want to drop those on people's countertops or something like that. So when I saw this bag, I thought this is just the perfect thing for me. So in this section here, stickers are a bit stiff still, but I'm sure they'll be better soon. And when I open this up, first of all, it comes with these loops where I can put my followers and tweezers and my lock ring pliers, so that's gonna be cool. But then it comes with this tray, built-in tray, so I can put all the messy parts here and screws, and nothing will fly off and get dropped. So a perfect work surface that I can bring along with me. And I think it actually can be pulled out if needed. Yeah. So, and it's so stable that it actually stays upright. So, and it has a good balance. So there's no chance it should tip over and spill your parts everywhere. So I might put a small repin section here with some channels for the pins, but I think this is gonna be a perfect small parts section for my rekeys. And then it comes with an outer pocket here, just a small outer pocket, and then it comes with its main compartment here. With, first of all, there's some elastic pockets here and more zipper pockets here, and even a pocket here. So this is going to be perfect for pick sets and screwdrivers and the bigger tools that I keep in my current rekey bag that is about the same size, but I think this one has a bit more capacity, so hopefully I can spread things out so it gets easier to find. And then it comes with that built-in bonus pinning station here where I can keep all my important tools and most important, keep tiny parts from ending up everywhere, and also not to mess up countertops when I'm working in people's houses. So there'll be a follow-up on this one once I get my items installed in this, and I might take it for a few days of actual usage, and then I'll come back with another video with my thoughts on if this was the perfect purchase or it was a waste of money. But till the next one, bye.